Hi everyone, my name is Naz. I have an Etsy shop with the name Sewing Panda Patterns where I sell digital sewing patterns. I'll leave the link in the description box, please do check. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch these shorts with the step-by-step instructions. We need 1-inch width elastic and cut out the pieces from the fabric, making sure to have mirror image the fronts and backs and also mark all the notches. Now grab the front panel and attach the pocket piece at the notch with the right sides together. Pin it and stitch it with a 1 cm seam allowance. Now give a top stitch on the pocket. Repeat the same thing with the remaining 3 panels. Place the front and back panels and stitch the sides with the right sides together on the pocket by leaving pocket opening, then stitch with 1 cm seam allowance. I have pressed the seams, and as you can see I have finished the seams with the pinking scissors, but I suggest you to overlock the seams with the serger if you have. And I have done the same thing with other 2 panels. Line up the front and back with the right sides together, then pin it and stitch the inseam, then overlock it. Repeat the same thing with other leg. Now line up the front and back pieces with the right sides together, then pin it and stitch the crotch by matching the inseam and the notches. As you can see, I have opened the seams and pressed it. Now coming to the bottom, it has wider hem. So first fold the hem 1 cm, then fold 2 cm again and give a stitch on the hem edge. Then press it. You can even press the hem first, then stitch it. As you can see, I have pressed the hem. Now coming to the waistband, there are notches and folding line. So press the folding line. Now fold the raw edges with 1 cm, then overlap it on the marks. Pin it all around and stitch it by leaving little gap to insert the elastic. Now mark a line with 3.25 cm above the stitch, which we have done before. Then stitch it on the mark all around. All the marks and notches mentioned in the pattern, so you can trace them. Before inserting the elastic, we need to attach the belt loop. For that, fold the fabric half twice, then stitch it on both sides. Cut this into 2 pieces. Now At the side seam, I'm going to attach the loops 1 cm below and 1 cm above the elastic casing, as you can see. Now overlap the ends slightly, then stitch together. Then close the gap. Coming to the bell, fold it in the middle and give notches on both sides. Then fold it half in lengthwise with right sides together. Pin it on the raw edges, then stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance by leaving little gap at the middle to turn it right side out. Now trim the excess fabric, then turn it right side out. Now press it, then close the gap. Now the beautiful paperback shorts with side pockets are ready to wear. I hope you like this video and the pattern. You can purchase it from my Etsy shop, link in the description box. Please share your valuable feedback on my Etsy shop. It really helps me.